Well, we're here again, changing thermostats in the 2.4. It's a son of a bitch, I tell you. Okay. First of all, I'm going to crawl underneath here. I'm going to disconnect this hose here and let the antifreeze drip out through there. Because I'm sure the tap in the rad is seized. It's right there though. But I'm going to just disconnect this because this pipe here has to come off anyway when we're doing the thermostat, and it's way underneath. So. Okay, I'm looking up at the engine here. So I got the ratchet in there, and that's how you do the first bolt. No extension, 10 millimeter, 3/8 ratchet. And you just have enough room for your hand. You undo the first bolt here.